Chapter 5 Editing in MS Word 2010. After this lesson, you will be able to learn what is meant by editing, learn various selection techniques, add words, sentences or paragraphs between text, use undo and redo command, use cut, copy and paste, use find and replace feature. Introduction. MS Word is the text editor application by Microsoft and is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. We can create amazing documents with the help of MS Word and make them appear even more wonderful with the help of various features in MS Word 2010. In this chapter, we will learn about the editing tools in MS Word 2010. What is meant by editing? The word editing refers to revision of a document for the purpose of correction of spelling or grammatical errors and modification of parts by adding relevant or deleting irrelevant matter. With the wonderful editing tools of MS Word 2010, all these functions are made really simple. Let us learn about important editing features of MS Word 2010. Selecting text. Most of the time, editing is applied to a particular part of the document. For this, we must first select the text. Explained below are various methods of selecting text. Selection techniques. We can select text in 5 ways: by holding and dragging the mouse, by mouse click, by using the keyboard, by using a combination of the mouse and the keyboard, by using Select All option. When we use any of these selection techniques, we first need to bring the cursor to the beginning of the text to be selected. The selected text is highlighted in blue color. By holding and dragging mouse, bring the cursor where you wish to start selecting text by left-clicking the mouse. Hold and drag the mouse button till you select the required portion of text. Now release the mouse button. The selected part will be highlighted in blue color. This selection technique has a limitation as you cannot select specific parts of text. By using keyboard, bring the cursor to the part where you wish to start selecting text by using the arrow keys. Hold down the Shift key along with the arrow key in the direction of the text to be selected. Release the arrow and Shift keys. By using a combination of mouse and keyboard, click before the part of the text to be selected to bring the cursor there. Press and hold the Shift button. Click at the end of the word, sentence or paragraph where you want to stop selecting. By using Select All option, to select the entire document in one go, click on Select option in the Editing group, Home tab. Now click on Select All. You can select the entire document with the click of a button. How to add words or sentences between text. Sometimes we remember that we have missed out something in our document and we need to insert additional text in between existing text. Well, it is possible to do so. Click with your mouse at the point where you want to add text. The cursor will start blinking here. This is the insertion point. You can also use arrow keys on the keyboard to bring insertion point to the required place. Type the additional word or sentence. The text to the right automatically shifts further right. Do you know the insertion point is the point where text will appear on typing from the keyboard? The insertion point is usually represented by a blinking vertical line, also known as the cursor. Insertion point. To insert a paragraph between existing paragraph, bring the insertion point between the two paragraphs and start typing. Similarly, you can add text in the beginning or end of a sentence or paragraph by bringing the insertion point to the required place. How to delete words or sentences between text. Sometimes our document contains words or sentences that are not needed or need to be replaced or edited. In order to edit text, we need to delete words, sentences, or major parts between typed texts. There are mainly two ways in which we can delete text. By using the backspace key. By using the delete key. Using backspace key. When we press the backspace key, the letters to the left of insertion point are deleted one by one. To delete a word by using the backspace key, bring the insertion point just after the word to be deleted and press the key. Characters to the left of insertion point are deleted one by one. You can also delete more than one word in this manner. Selecting text and then using backspace key. To delete a larger portion of text, select the entire portion of text to be deleted and press the backspace key. The selected text is deleted in one go. Using backspace plus control key. Bring the insertion point just after the word to be deleted and press the backspace key and the control key simultaneously. The entire word to the left of insertion point is deleted in one go. Using delete key. When we press the delete key, the letters to the right of insertion point are deleted one by one. To delete a word by using the delete key, bring the insertion point just before the word to be deleted and press the delete key. Characters to the right of insertion point are deleted one by one. You can also delete more than one word in this manner. Selecting text and then using delete key. To delete a larger portion of text, select the entire portion of text to be deleted and press the delete key. The selected text is deleted in one go. Using delete plus control key. Bring the insertion point just before the word to be deleted and press the delete key and control key simultaneously. The entire word to the right of insertion point is deleted in one go. Undo and redo. Undo and redo commands are present on the quick access toolbar. They are very useful while typing or formatting text. They enable us to take back a command. Undo. By using undo, we can take back the command just given by us or action just performed by us. We can undo any number of actions. Redo. Redo command is the opposite or reverse of undo. We use redo command only if we have used undo command. Redo will take back the effect of a previous undo command. We can use redo the same number of times that we used undo. How to use copy and paste. To use copy and paste commands, it is important to first select the text to be copied. Click on Copy command in the Home tab Clipboard group. Bring the insertion point to the place where the text or object is to be pasted. Click on Paste button in the Home tab Clipboard group. Do you know you can also select the text to be copied and then right-click on the selection. From the pop-up menu that appears, select Copy and Paste options. Cut and paste. When we use cut command, text images or other objects are removed or erased from the original location but are sent to the clipboard. On using paste command in the same document or another document, the cut text or object is pasted there. In this way, an original text or object is removed from one place to another. We only need to cut a particular text or object once, but it can be pasted any number of times. How to use cut and paste. To use cut and paste commands, it is important to first select the text to be cut. Click on Cut command in the Home tab Clipboard group. Bring the insertion point to the place where the text or object is to be pasted. Click on Paste button in the Home tab Clipboard group. Let's do it. Name the command. Find and replace. Find and replace is a unique feature in MS Word. It helps us to find a particular word in the entire document and then replace it with a new word by giving a single command. We use this feature to modify a document or to correct mistyping. For instance, Mrs. Sharma typed a letter to her doctor describing her problem. Later, she wanted to change the word pain, which occurred about 5 times in the document, with a better word, ache. If she does this manually, she will have to read the entire letter carefully. Then wherever the word pain will appear, she will delete and retype it. There are chances that she will miss the word in a place or two. By using Find and Replace, she will simply instruct MS Word to find the word pain wherever it occurs in the entire document. Then she will instruct MS Word to replace it with ache in all the places. Find. How to use Find and Replace. Click on Find button in Home tab. Editing group navigation window will open on the left side of the screen. In the Search Document box, type the word you want to find in the document. It will be highlighted in the entire document as shown below. Click on Replace button in Home tab, Editing group. Find and Replace window will open. Type the new word that has to be replaced with the existing word in the Replace with box. Click on Replace All button. Summary. Revision of a document for the purpose of correction of spelling or grammatical errors and modification of parts by adding relevant or deleting irrelevant matter is called editing. We must first select the text in order to apply editing to a particular part of the document. We can insert additional text in between existing text. We can delete words, sentences, or major parts of words or sentences that are not needed or need to be replaced or edited. Undo and redo commands are very useful while typing or formatting text. They enable us to take back a command. Cut, copy, and paste commands enable us to either duplicate or remove large portions of text, images, or other objects from one place in the document and paste them to another part of the same document or any other document. Find and replace helps us find a particular word in the entire document and then replace it with a new word.